Hey guys, this is Just One Guy, and I'm back with something different here. Today I was on the asset store, and I noticed Unity does something that is really stupid, that costs them money and costs their developers money. Now, if you've never been on an asset store before, it's just a store that Unity sells assets for use with this game engine. Some of the assets can be used in other game engines, some can't, but it's basically to help you finish your projects faster. And so I buy a lot of assets here for stuff I need, which is good for buying like quick stuff like animations, because those are really hard to make and you don't want to develop them yourself. But what I noticed what Unity does is like this developer right here, We Make the Games. He makes a lot of high quality animations. Just put this over here. And this guy right here, he makes a lot of high quality 3D models, and I really like these 3D models. And what I noticed is whenever you go on an asset store, you have to actually go out of your way to look for the developer. And so what I tried to do was, let me just click on an asset to show you. What I tried to do was save the developer, because you can save an asset to your account and it will appear in your saved assets right here. But what you can't do is save a developer. There's no option for that. So you can't like a developer's page and then look him up next time. And I don't know why Unity does this, because it's a great marketing opportunity and it doesn't harm the customer in any way, because if the customer liked the page, then clearly they want to see more of that developer's content. And not only that, you don't get an update when the developer puts out something new. Like this guy right here has really good 3D animation, 3D models. And I might not need it at that time, but when he puts out something new, I certainly want to look at it and have a chance to see it, just to see if I might want to make a game out of it or use it in my game. And I think that costs the developer money and Unity money, because I'm assuming that they get a cut of whatever the developer sells on the asset store. So I can't understand why you wouldn't have a system set up similar to the save assets to save the developers so you can look through them. And that's especially harmful with developers like this, because he makes really good animations. And a lot of times in Unity, you might need a single animation just to do something, and you want to look up somebody animations who've already worked for you, or the animations already worked in your game and they're set up the way you like, so you might want to use the same developer, and you have to go out of your way to look for that developer. And then another way they gimp the developer is when you click on an asset, they put the developer's name in the smallest text right here, and you can't even tell you could click on it. So say you come across the developer on your phone or something like that, there'd be no way you could click on this, and sometimes you just miss it because it's in small letters right here. So you have to go out of your way just to look at the developer of the asset when you want to buy more assets from that developer. And they just make it an unnecessarily hard experience. And then it creates stuff like this where the developer has to put third-party links and create their own website, instead of just having a simple system where they have a heart next to their name and you click on the heart and it saves it to your account. That way you can just look up that developer again. And also another system where you could just click get notifications, so you can tell when the developer is having a sale on their animations or something like that. Like try to look it up right now. Like a lot of times this guy, when you see like these prices $59.99 or something like that, he'll have a sale on his animations, and I would like to know about that. I would like to get a notification about that, but there's no system set up to do that. And I just think that's really costing the asset store money and costing the developer money. And I think Unity should really change that as fast as possible. And I don't understand why they didn't put that system in place in the first place. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.